So we have this Focus RS in the garage with the engine management light on, and we had multiple misfire faults. So what we've done is run a number of diagnostic checks, and what is happening is the coil packs are breaking down when it's in sport mode. Sorry, I should mention the fault was only happening, it was only misfiring when it was in sport mode. So what's happening is when the coil packs are under more pressure, because the car's demanding more from them, they're breaking down and they're causing multiple misfires in each cylinder. So what we have done is stripped down and replaced all 4 of the coil packs, and I'm going to build it back up, road test it, and fingers crossed it should be all done.